So I'm going to show you how to download FIFA 24 or FC 24. It's the same game, just EA changed the name of it. So first step is to search up Origin, or you can search up Steam. And basically what these are a service provider that provide access to a bunch of paid games or free games. Steam being the most popular, but most of the games on Steam run on Windows. And so basically you want to click on the install button, complete the install process. It has it installed for Mac, and then create an account, or if you already have one, just sign in, and then you will have to purchase the game from the actual app itself because games aren't free. Now for Origin, it's the same thing. They have a lot of, it's basically EA's downloadable software, so like EA Sports, all that stuff. So they have their own site. So basically you just download it, pay for the game, and sometimes the games won't work because of compatibility issues. If it's a newer game, it might not be compatible with older computers. So you just have to check for that, and yeah.